Hello, in this video I want to show you the unboxing of Stepperonline servo motors. They came shipped in this strong paper box, and it's a model with 750 watts of power, EtherCAT, and with brake. So I will unbox now and show you the content and how to assemble the cables. When you open the box, you have a data sheet and drawing about the motor components and the connectors, and then you have several boxes. This seems to be the box for the cables. Then there will be a box this is very heavy. This seems to be the motor, and finally this is not so heavy. This will be the driver. Okay, so let's unpack the boxes. First we start with the driver. When you open the driver box, pay attention. Here's the connector for the driver and the driver itself. Okay. Next, here we have the box with the motor. It's all good packaged, and last box is the one with the cables, I think. Yes, here it is, encoder cable and the motor power cable. Well, that's it. Now let's remove the plastic bags, and then I show you how you connect all the wires of the driver and the motor. Okay, here it is. I will give you the overview: driver, the motor, the connector for the cables, for the power cables to the driver. Pay attention, in the plastic bag of this connector or some small pieces. These pieces you will need to assemble the cables into the connector. I will show you later. Then we have here the motor power cable. Yes, to the motor they are labeled. Two of them are for the brake, EK plus and minus. Then you have U, W and V, and the green yellow one is the PE. The labels are also on this connector, and you have to put them to the correct place. I will start with the motor connectors. The brake cables go to your brake control system. I will show you in another video. Okay, for assembling the cables into the connector, you have to use this tool, and you open the clamp for the cable with the small plastic tools I showed you before. Okay, you press it together, and then you can insert the cable and release it, and it's properly installed. Okay, when you're ready, it looks like this. In the next step, you connect the motor cables to the motor. This has to be installed here. Remove the plastic cover, and you will need a small screwdriver to screw it to the terminal. The same is for the encoder cable. This will be assembled in the encoder section of the motor here, and also tightened with a screwdriver. Okay, tighten the screws, and the cables are ready installed. Now you can plug the connector to the motors. It fits only in one direction, so you can't do something wrong. That's the one, and the next one is the encoder cable you connect to this port, and that's it. Now you have only to install your main power. You have here L1 and L2. This is for phase and neutral, and here are connector terminals for GND. Okay, and that's it. Then you connect the Ethernet and you're on the go. This was for the unboxing. Thank you.